Hello, this is a video demo of beta version 3.4 of the AI Code Monitor tool. In this version, we have worked upon a feature called Attestation. So let me start with a quick definition and why we need this. The teams in your organization can view the GenAI code composition on the dashboard. You can see the overall percentage, the pure GenAI percentage, and the blended GenAI percentage. The developers would like to have a little bit more of a, say, code level view. So you can go to the repositories, you will see the repository groups, you can expand them and click on this, say, any repository over here. So I'm clicking on the AI Code Monitor. When you go over there, you will see the files and the chunk level information. And over here, you can see the code level information plus the labeling that has been given. So at this level, you can agree with this labeling, saying that yes, the system has labeled this chunk from line 12 to 33 as not GenAI. You can agree. So currently see it is not attested. You can agree to this by clicking on this check, and it says attested by the person on this date and time. And you can, the other option you have is you can disagree and you can override it, saying that this is not GenAI. Actually, this was a blended code. This is blended code, and you can override it. You will see the change happening from not GenAI to blended, and the attestation happening over here by this person on this date and time. You can also undo what you have done by clicking on edit. You can say, oh, actually it was not blended. It was pure GenAI. I had taken this content, this code, and put it over here. This is actually pure GenAI, and you can save it. You will see the change happening. So it's changed from blended to pure, attestation happening on that particular date and time. On the other option you have, which is an option like you have looked at it, reviewed it, but do not take any action, don't do anything, so it will stay as not attested. So this is called as attestation at the repository detail view page. The other place that you can do the attestation is at the code review level. Now, the development engineering team members of your organization can manage the GenAI code composition stats during the code review phase of the software development lifecycle. So suppose they have opened up a pull request in GitHub. The GenAI code composition of that PR is visible to them in the pull request page. So when you click on the checks, you are brought over here. You will see a check by the name of Sema app, Sema GenAI detector. When you click on that, you will see the stats being shown over here at overall pure blended level, the rules that are applicable, and you will see the percentages. If you click on more details, you are brought to the AI code monitor tool where you'll see the GenAI code composition for this specific pull request, and you can see how the information is shown, the statistics at overall pure and blended for this particular PR, and then separately for this specific repository. Now, the importance of this is that you are able to now verify and rectify if you want to override it as well. The GenAI code composition levels for this PR much before the code has been committed to production, and hence providing more flexibility to manage the GenAI uh, code labels. So over here again, if you see you are on this particular file and you are able to see the various chunks. So suppose you say this is not attested, same feature is available. You can say yes, you agree that this is not GenAI. So it will say it is not GenAI and it has been attested. And if you want to say that, I am looking at this particular chunk, lines 43 to 66, this is not GenAI. This was actually a blended. This is blended code, and you hit on save. You will see how the change happens. Not GenAI changes to blended, and the attestation information here by the person on this particular date and time. Now, this was all about attestation. Um, Please share if you have got any feedback, and we'll share about further enhancements on the AI Code Monitor tool in the next video. Thank you.